Welcome to Grandpa's Repair. Today we are going to mount a 2-row corn cultivator on an Allis Chalmer's WD45. This will be the same as a Allis Chalmer's WD that I know of, and possibly some other models. So here's the start of the brackets for the handles. The left-hand cylinder comes up to here, and then this bracket goes across. I highly recommend putting this bracket on first, and then you can put the handles on, and that's where they go. And then this bracket goes there. And if you are in the process of buying a cultivator, I highly recommend making sure this bracket's here, because I found out that this tractor already had this bracket installed, and my parts tractor had one of these brackets on it, and luckily enough the cultivator I bought had the bracket. And then this arm is going to go to your back arm back here, and on the right hand side, basically it's bolted up the same way as the left hand side. And if yours has a belt pulley on here like mine did, you are going to have to pull the belt pulley off and put this cover on, because the belt pulley is in the way. And here's the cultivator. This is the way I have it set up on the stands. Mine's a wide front. It'd definitely be way easier if I had a narrow front tractor to put it on, but we're gonna make do. So I'm gonna get to putting the cultivator on the tractor now.